So, yo, what is up guys? This is SF Gaming nga pala, no? So, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang 14 active codes ng MUC Monarch. So, huwag na natin patagilin. First code, MU 555. Next is MU 666. Next is MU 777. Number I think 4 sa code natin, MU 888 and MU 999. So next code is MU gift. Pang number 7, MU myrtle. Next is MU Pinoys. Next is MU Bunja. And last code is MU Tremont. So ayun guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please support our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Peace.